is to build a proper road through St. Thomas. And you can all be witness to that the government is laying down a proper road. No other government has undertaken that level of investment. I know it has not been as convenient as we would like. It has been disruptive in many ways. And even now, as we are building the road, there are still sections of the road that are incomplete. There are still areas that we have completed that we have had to dig up. But when it is done, you will have the best road of anywhere in the island. You will have reliable water supply. You will have better internet, and indeed better facilities for electricity to go to areas that didn't have it before. But the most important thing that we have done, aside from the road, is that we are building the urban center. Where you are just a few miles away from it. And that urban center will become the center of economic activity. As I look in this lane, I see a lot of young people. Some of them are just about to graduate from high school. Before that urban center, where would they go for jobs? They would have to go to Kingston. Now we are bringing economic activities right here in the center of your parish. You will be able to benefit from it. Because I know that you have some ignorant thinking people who look at the road, who look at the development that is going on with the Moranti Urban Center, who hear about the reverse tax that we are giving, who hear about all the good things that we are doing. And then they will tell you that that's canyon. How that benefit me? And that, my friends, is the thinking that has kept us economically oppressed for decades. Because it's not now them asking that. Them asked that in the 80s, them asked that in the 90s, them asked that in the early 2000s. And they have never made the connection that the only way that the circumstances for communities like Church Farnham and other such communities is going to change is when the government has enough revenues that they can back up their promise with action. You have a lot of sweet talking politicians, you know. Some of them have British accent and so good. But what they don't have is the ability to put action behind your words. And it is only one politician in the last 30 years that has been able to put action behind words. So all the year in the matter, and a go on and a argue, and a vex up, is one politician that can say, we'll build the road coming into St. Thomas, going through St. Thomas in the whole land. We'll build the urban center. There's only one politician answering that. Many promises have been made about St. Thomas. Man build BPO center and the 25 acres where the old Bunyer factory was, and not one worker was ever put there. Up to the year we pay mortgage for it. Not one worker. So when people talking all the nonsense and the ignorant talk, it's no time that we tell them what the real deal is. We must not allow ignorance to make us make the wrong decision again and set us back 30 years. Progress is being made. Progress that is sustainable. Progress that is resilient. And progress that is fair and equitable. Jamaica has never been in this place. And I say to you, the people of ChurchCon, ensure that your progress and your prosperity is secured and it is continued. Ensure that the Jamaica Labour Party is the party that is leading you to achieve your dreams and your goals. God bless you.